What is encapsulation in C++? In object-oriented paradigm or object-oriented programming, encapsulation is a basic, say, building block. So let me show you here with an example. Now we have a class called rectangle. We have two variables. We are calling it as variables. Then length and width. Then we have a function. We are calling it as methods. Methods, operation, procedure, number of names we call. So a class is having some data members or values, and we have function. So this class is actually encapsulating these three things: two data values, two data members, and a function which is operating on these data members. So it is kind of inside a capsule. So inside this capsule, we have, these are the variables, and then we have methods. This is a function. There can be multiple functions. There can be multiple data values or variables. So braces are actually capsule. So encapsulation is the process of wrapping together the data and the function that use them in a single unit. Since it bundles, it encapsulates the related data and function together. This makes the code cleaner and easy to understand. So when you make an object of this rectangle, obj object, because this class is just a blueprint, and you have to create an object to actually access and work on these data members or variables and functions, which is we are calling as methods. So there are three types of encapsulation: member variable encapsulation, function encapsulation, and class encapsulation. Member variable encapsulation means all the data members are declared as private. This is member variable encapsulation. Function encapsulation, some member functions are declared as private, and class encapsulation means all the class is itself declared as private.